We're just wondering if with avocado trees, is it true that they take a long time to mature before they'll grow fruit? Like, is it 7 years, or and can you grow fruit from one that you grew from a seed?
You can actually have a pretty good crop in 3 years.
Yeah. Okay.
From the seed from the avocado I ate. I planted.
No. That'll give you a seedling which probably won't produce any fruit. All of these trees, they take a seedling and they bud it to a commercial variety, like everybody wants Hass.
Yeah.
So Hass is the standard bud.
That's what it is.
Yeah, and so they'll use a seedling that has good characteristics as far as resistance to disease and salt and other things, and then they bud it with a variety that produces a good fruit, like a Hass or some of the other varieties.
What kind of avocados are grown here?
These are all Hass.
Is that those big, huge ones that we got in our box?
Those would have been Hass.
Avocado I've ever seen.
Really? Yeah.
It was the best tasting avocado. It was perfect, no really buttery.
Now those actually came from our farm in Somas.
Oh, okay.
But we're planting more and more avocados here. This is the neighbor's property, and we're leasing this land, this 20 acres here. And then the avocados that are planted here, you can see some that are a little yellow.
Yeah.
That's because there's a lot of lime in the soil.
Oh,
and we have to put sulfur, mix a lot of sulfur in to acidify the soil to counteract the lime.
Okay.
If it's too much lime, you can't counteract it. It just, the avocados won't grow.
So I'm just growing this big tree. I'm not ever going to have fruit.
Well, if you have fruit, it probably is not going to be very good eating fruit.
Oh, and it's the best avocado I've ever eaten in my life.
Yeah. The tree that grows from that seed probably won't produce anything, would be my guess.
I'll be darned.
But you have a reminder of that delicious
avocado. And shade.
How big is the farm? How many acres? I know, sweetie. We'll get water in just a second.
We're farming about 130 acres here.
I'm sorry, I didn't bring it. I'm sorry.
The family farm.
And I forgot.
We're also leasing the green fields over there. We're leasing the neighbor's fields where we're producing jalapenos. Because we grow all the jalapenos for Hui Fong Foods. They produce the sriracha sauce, which is the rooster.
Yeah.
You know, it has the red rooster on the front.
That's locally. That's a local company too, isn't it? Like in Los Angeles somewhere.
They're in Rosemead.
Yeah.
And they're building a new plant in Irwindale.
Yeah. That's awesome.
So yeah, very popular.
Yeah. Yeah. Kind of a quiet little thing that got a huge cult following.
Yeah, it did. It is a cult following.
Yeah.
And Hui Fong